skill training video has been produced by Semker in collaboration with PSSC and CNK. This video is aligned to the job role Electrician Domestic Solutions, PSS/Q6001, QP code PSS/N6002. Earthing in house wiring is a safety measure meant for protection of humans and machinery or appliance. We are now going to learn about different types of earthing, the procedure to lay it and its connection in house wiring. Here we will learn the need for earthing, types of the earthing pit, also ensure that the appliance is properly earthed. You are seeing a residential quarters distribution board. Here we will see earthing wire, connected properly or not. Now technician trying to open the cover of the distribution board. First we will know why we need earthing or grounding. Human safety, that is electrical shock avoidance, to provide safety to personnel during abnormal and fault conditions by limiting step and touch potential. Equipment ground fault protection, to assure correct operation of electrical devices. Limiting high voltages, to prevent damage to electrical or electronic equipment. Protection from lightning, to dissipate lightning strokes. Provides path for electrical discharge, to stabilize voltage during transient conditions and to minimize the probability of flashover, and electrical noise control. To divert stray RF energy from sensitive audio, video control and computer equipment. Fire protection, to avoid the risk of fire in electrical installation system. The term earthing or grounding simply means connecting the electrical system or equipment to the ground by means of a suitable conductor. Such a ground connection provides a common return path for safe discharge of electricity to the ground. An effective earthing system aims at providing protection to life against dangerous potentials under fault conditions, maintain zero touch and step potential, and lowest earthing resistance. As you are seeing, cover of distribution board has been removed. Now you are seeing the green color wire for earthing. Two green color wire came from main electrical distribution panel, which connected on distribution board earthing bus bar. Distribution board main door also earthed with green color wire. Earth wire from distribution board main earth bus are connecting with the different appliances like socket, fan, etc. Classification of earthing. Earthing broadly can be divided in following. 1. System earthing. In this, a part of substation is directly connected to grounding grid like LV neutral of star connected transformer, earth switch, surge arrestor connection to ground, etc. In this condition, if imbalance current created, then without affecting to other phase imbalance, current will flow to ground. 2. Structure, equipment, safety earthing. In this, metallic body of equipments, devices is connected to grounding grid to prevent electric shocks to any personnel touching that equipment or device, like transformer tank body earthing, circuit breaker body earthing, panels outer body earthing, etc. Methods of earthing. 1. Pipe earthing. In pipe earthing system, a galvanized steel-based pipe is placed vertically in a wet, and it is one of the most common types of earthing. 2. Plate earthing. In these types of earthing, a plate is made up of copper or galvanized iron, which is placed vertically in the ground at 3 meters from the ground, and one should maintain the earth moisture condition around the plate earthing system for a better electrical grounding system. 3. Rod earthing. In these types of earthing, a copper rod with galvanized steel pipe is placed upright in the ground physically or by using a hammer and to a preferred value. The lengths of the embedded electrodes in the earth decrease the resistance of earth. Now we will see step-by-step process for chemical earthing, which is one kind of pipe earthing. In conventional pipe earthing, the area surrounding the pipe is filled with layers of charcoal, salt, or an earth reactivation compound. But in chemical earthing, we will use chemical compound. You are seeing a pipe electrode that is 10 feet in length and 50 millimeters in diameter. As you are seeing, we have already made a digged well that is 10 feet in deep and 150 millimeter diameter. One new earthing electrode is wrapped with transparent plastic. Now before putting it in digged well, we should remove the plastic wrap on it. Now we are putting the earthing electrode in the well. Now we will put chemical compound. Chemical compound is a backfill compound which consists 75% gypsum, 20% bentonite clay and 5% sodium sulfate. The gypsum, which is calcium sulfate, absorbs and retains moisture and adds reactivity and conductivity to the mixture. Since it contracts very little when moisture is lost, it will not pull away from the ground rod or surrounding earth. The bentonite ensures good contact between ground rod and earth by its expansion. Bentonite resistivity is found to be about 2.5 ohm meters, which is reasonably conductive. The usefulness of bentonite is limited due to high volume. Sensitivity to moisture causes expand 300% to its dry volume and shrink when moisture lost during long dry seasons. It expands and contracts so much with moisture content. It can pull away from the earth electrode and surrounding soil when moisture is lost. While the sodium sulfate prevents polarization of the earth electrode by removing the gases formed by current entering the earth through the rod. The backfill mixture should be covered with 12 inches of excavated soil. This mixture is superior to chemical salts since it is much more enduring. As you are seeing, we are putting backfill compound. After that, we are putting some water. And after that, some good soil. This will repeat till then we reach at the ground level. Now earth electrode completely filled with backfill compound. Our earthing system is ready for connection. In order to ensure safety of the users, a simple concept of current is followed. That is, the current flows through the lowest resistance path. The earth wire in the household is connected to all the power appliances, which is connected to the earthing pit. With the earth wire, the circuit from the appliance metallic path to the earth wire is the lowest resistance path, so the users are saved from electrical shock. The resistance of the earth wire circuit is in the order of around 1 ohms, whereas the resistance of human body is between 500 kilo ohms and mega ohms. Therefore, earthing is a safety factor. It is essential and mandatory. It is an electrical connection between the exposed metallic parts of an electrical appliance or installation and the earth, which is regarded to have zero potential. Proper earthing provides an alternative and easy path for leakage or faulty current to flow. It ensures that any exposed conductive part of the appliance does not reach a dangerous level of potential or voltage, which cause dangers to the user's life. A proper earthing system should have the least electrical resistance, good corrosion resistance, and ability of dissipating high faulty current. Now we will ensure through the continuity test that AC power point properly connected from earth wire. You are seeing single phase AC power point. Now we are opening the cover plate of power point. Yellow color wire is used for phase supply and green color wire used for earthing connection, which came from main distribution board, which is connected with the body of junction box, and from junction box body. Power point socket body connected with earth wire. Now we are seeing the AC plug top in, which top point is for the appliance earthing, which is metallic. When we will fix plug top to socket, then plug earth point get in touch with socket metallic body part, which is already connected with earth wire. By this way, earthing get connected the appliances. For continuity test of earthing from distribution board, we have laid blue color wire from main distribution board earth terminal. Now we have selected digital multimeter in continuity mode. First we will be ensuring that multimeter working in continuity mode or not, for which we are touching the both probe terminal. Beep sound coming. It is giving indication that it isn't working. Now we have connected multimeter red probe terminal to cable laid from distribution board earth terminal, which is blue in color. We have connected multimeter black probe terminal with green color earth wire available at power point. Now beep sound coming, showing earth wire properly connected. By this way, we may ensure that other points properly connected with earth wire.